This is the story of the world's greatest ship, a ship that was called unsinkable. But the night it sank, it changed history forever. It was the year 1912. From the port of Southampton, England, a magnificent ship began its journey. Her name was RMS Titanic. It was more than just a ship. It was the pride of mankind. People believed, this ship can never sink. On board were the richest of the rich, and the poorest of the poor. Some celebrated with music and wine, while others dreamed of a new life in America. Everyone believed their journey was safe. April 14th, late at night, at 11:40 p.m. A lookout shouted, "Iceberg, straight ahead!" But it was too late. The Titanic struck the iceberg. 5 compartments filled with water. And the truth was clear. The ship would not survive. The captain gave the order, "Lower the lifeboats." But there were not enough for everyone. Some boats left half empty, because many still believed the ship would never sink. Women and children were saved first. Men stood back, watching their families leave. And the musicians? They played their violins until the very end. In the freezing night, the ship tilted forward. Then, with a deafening roar, the Titanic broke in two. Thousands fell into the icy water. Screams filled the ocean. Then silence. By dawn, the rescue ship Carpathia arrived. Only 700 people survived. More than 1,500 lives were lost to the sea. The Titanic story teaches us one truth. No matter how powerful we think we are, nature is always greater. Pride sinks, just like the Titanic.